Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel after the intro because this video took a lot of work. And if you're serious about growing your online business fast, you'll definitely want to stay updated. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. The real beginning of online success. Starting an online business sounds exciting. Freedom, flexibility, unlimited income. But most beginners feel lost. There's jargon, strategies, tools, and hundreds of voices telling you what to do. The truth is simple. Success online comes from mastering a few key foundations. This introduction aligns with the book's opening message, page 5 to 6, which explains how confusing the world of internet marketing feels to beginners and why mastering the basics is essential. Number 2. Choose your niche with intelligence. Your niche determines everything: your content, your products, even your customers. According to Chapter 1, pages 7 through 13, choosing a niche means knowing what topic you'll talk about, knowing who you're talking to, choosing something you love, checking if it's profitable, checking if it's not too competitive. General is invisible. Specific is powerful. You can even create your own niche by combining topics, choosing unique angles, or going ultra-specific. This is how real brands stand out. Number 3. Build your brand from the name up. Before you earn money, you need a name, a domain, and a home for your business. Chapter 2, pages 15 through 21, explains how to choose a business name and domain. It must be memorable, it must be unique, it must reflect your brand, it must be easy to spell, and it must avoid trademark issues. Then choose hosting: Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, and install WordPress. The easiest way to build your first website. This foundation gives your business a real identity. Number 4. Start publishing and build your online presence. Once your site is ready, start posting. According to Chapter 2, page 22, you must post consistently, add content daily or weekly, write articles that fit your niche, and focus on SEO basics and keywords. Content gives Google something to index, and it gives readers a reason to return. Number 5. Email marketing, your secret weapon. Chapter 3, pages 23 through 28, reveals one of the most powerful tools in online business: email marketing. Here's why it works. People check email every day. You control the list, not Google or social media. You can sell directly. You stay connected with your audience. Use autoresponders like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, ConvertKit. Once you collect emails, you can share content, announce updates, promote your products, drive traffic back to your site. Email is long-term profit. Number 6. Paid ads, turning money into more money. Chapter 4, pages 30 through 33, explains PPC advertising. You pay per click, you choose your budget, you target specific audiences. Google Ads targets intent, what people search for. Facebook Ads targets interests, what people like. Your goal isn't cheap clicks. Your goal is profitable clicks. Create ads that attract the right people, repel people who won't buy, look professional, and lead viewers to landing pages that convert. Ads don't make money. Conversions do. Number 7. Social media. Grow your audience faster. According to Chapter 5, pages 34 through 40, social media helps you build relationships, grow followers, build trust, promote your site, and build email signups. Tips from the book are: use the same branding everywhere, post consistently, join trends, use popular hashtags, engage with people, share value, not spam, use tools like SocialRank, NeedTagger, Likealyzer, BuzzSumo, and Buffer to scale faster. Number 8. Monetization. How to actually make money. Chapter 6, pages 41 through 47, explains several ways to earn money from your website. Number 1, ad networks. Earn money per click, AdSense, etc. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Number 3, your own products. Ebooks, courses, services equal to highest profit. Number 4, email funnels. Collect emails, send offers, make consistent income. To maximize earnings, give something free. Ebook chapter, video, downloadable PDF in exchange for email addresses. Number 9, growth hacks and advanced strategies. Finally, Chapter 7, pages 48 through 52, shares fast growth strategies. Guest posting, using trending hashtags, influencer shoutouts, link bait content, SEO optimization, building a YouTube channel, strong branding everywhere. These strategies separate weak startups from unstoppable ones. Number 10, the final message. Growth takes time, but every successful marketer started exactly where you are now. If you take action, keep learning, and stay consistent, your online business will grow and your life will change. Billing outro. Ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next strategy, the next tool, and the next step toward building a profitable online business. Stay focused and keep working smart.